Helicopter, helicopter.
Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. You look so pretty.
Please? I was calling you. Mummy bought you a present, a moving in present. It's a Christmas carrot. It's a Christmas carrot. Did you sleep in here with Teddy last night? Do you like your Christmas carrot? Oh, Baba.
Elena. Iya, iya.
Bills $700, food bills $300, pet insurance. How are you gonna pay for those? What's that? You don't want to? Wait, what are you doing?
One time I couldn't lay down comfortably and I was whining a lot. Mom was scared something was wrong with me and called the vet. The vet told her to listen to my stomach for any gurgling. The second she laid her head on my belly I unleashed the most deadliest silent fart I have done to date. She was still on the phone with the vet and couldn't even say anything but gag. The vet was concerned and asked her if she was okay and told her that I had just farted really bad and that she definitely inhaled that at its hottest and she was gonna throw up. The vet laughed and told her that all I had was flatulence and I should feel better. The vet was right.
I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that your love is gone.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
"君の虜になってしまえばきっと Très bien. Tourne. Super, tourne encore. Ouais, tiens.
When we met, I had no idea you'd become this important to me. And now, I can't even imagine what life would be like without you. Because you mean so much to me. I love you.
It's amazing how one day someone walks into your life. Am I flawed? And you can't remember how you ever lived without them.
This is my age, this is my sign. This is where I live, and what I like. This is where I'm from, and what I do. This is what I love. How about you?
Yum. Oh, somebody likes his watermelon.
And 5 steps. Hey, Carol, honey.
Wow, I'm so proud of you. You're doing amazing. Amazing. What's up? What's up? What's up?
My boy was so excited to go to the dog park and make friends. When we got closer, I could already see the glares and dirty looks. The dog park herons told us Bruno couldn't play because he looked violent. So we left. It's the look back stare for me.